Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily block calling unknown numbers to your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to find phone. Here you can find phone, and here you will find silence unknown callers. It means calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and display on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions. So just click in here. So now if someone not from your contacts will call to you, this number will be silenced, and you see this number only in your phone, in your latest calls. If you want to turn it off, just click here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.